Welcome back, everybody. I'm your host, Kelly Sparks, aka Red Beard. So I want to make this one short and sweet. Come to find out, I don't think I've ever actually done a one-off, standalone review of Knob Creek Small Batch, the 100 proof version. So, hey, there was a sale on these little bad boys too for less than the price of a $7.50, so it's like 24 plus tax for two 375 mils, and it was $5 cheaper than a $7.50. So whatever. So with a lot of Jim Beam products, I get this like peanut note. This one definitely got some caramel. Knob Creek is just a caramel bomb to me. Caramel and toffee. Yeah, it's like caramel covered peanuts. Kind of what it tastes like. This one, although it's good, it has a quick finish. Or at least this specific bottle does. And the aftertaste, like if you were just to steadily drink it, it'd be alright. But it's just taking a sip and letting it sit. I'm not that big of a fan of the aftertaste. So let me take another sip. I mean, it's a solid bourbon. I don't think it's a great bourbon. I think it's a great budget bourbon. I do. Personally, I think it's right up there with the Wild Turkey 101. It's different mash bill, obviously, different distillery. But it's a solid everyday drinker. My beard looks all jacked up. Had to wash it. Trimmed my sideburns out a little bit, so my face might look a little thinner. Might not have the same presence. But all in all, it's a decent bourbon. Depending on the price, I could either go to this or Wild Turkey or even that Early Times. I like that one a lot. Yeah, it's just caramel and toffee on the palate, and that's pretty much it. A little peanutty, but all in all, it's a solid bourbon. And I don't have a problem purchasing this one or even the single barrel. So they're both good products. I put my stamp of approval on it, so it's good. Yeah, that's about all I'm going to say about it. Yeah, so I want to thank everybody. I don't have the names in front of me. I'm not, you know what, I'll do a separate video for that for the new patrons. So I think that's all I got on this one. Knob Creek, it's good. There's no point in really saying anything else about it, so that's all I got. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to my Tattered Beans page. Get in on the Elmer T. Lee giveaway. Buy a shirt and you get a 2-ounce sample of Elijah Creek Barrel Proof. Check out the Bearded Idiots, and like always, folks, drink some whiskey, share it with your friends and family, and have a nice day. Y'all take care.